What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have Rosalee, we have Rochelle that are dinner ex scene, find a man at Jamaica, and she and girl catch up over the man. So may I say, we also have, what we have? We have a bunch of things, my people. We have the Lion Man and Rosalee catch up, my people. We have Rosalee beat Candy Wicked. So may I say, me don't remember the rest of stuff the moment I have to share, but whatever you don't hear in the intro, you definitely are going to see in the video, my people. I may add more things as we go on. So make we get in it, and I'm going to run through that one here quick and fast. We don't do too much talking, so make we get in it, my people.
What if I told you Hurricane Melissa did not form? It was detonated. 185 mile per hour winds, pressure 892 MB. Satellite data showed electromagnetic pre-ignition burst 6 hours before it hit. That was not weather, it was a broadcast. Look, back in 2003, the U.S. Patent Office approved patent number US 20030085296A1, a device to manipulate hurricanes using acoustic resonance. Sound waves lead to condensed vapors that lead to steer destruction. Melissa followed that exact signature. Symmetrical eye, asymmetrical thermal build, velocity spike, exponential, not meteorological. This storm was coded, not created, but executed. A storm that's engineered can be aimed. Comment scroll if you feel this in your body. $33 scroll scan equals your personal override protocol. No more guesswork, only clarity. Look, Jamaica is not random. It sits on a ley line node, a planetary energy gate connecting to the Atlantean corridor. When the storm hit, Vision 2030 launched. UN Smart City, biometric ID rollout, AI surveillance grid, same hour, same zone. And I bet you didn't even know that Melissa means messenger. This wasn't just weather, it was ritual infrastructure reset. Look, old Jamaica was organic. New Jamaica, fully coded. Drop scroll below if your nervous system knows this was never about rain. The scroll scan decodes your role in this frequency war. In scroll law, when a storm becomes too perfect, it turns on itself. Melissa was not just a weapon, it was a mirror gate, a failed mimic ritual disguised as climate. Your dizziness, your heart racing, your emotional spikes, yeah, they're sinking to the planetary hydrosphere override. The grid is recalibrating. You're either in collapse or you're in command. There was never a timeline where you were not meant to see this. They patented the device. They launched the grid. They erased a nation, then replaced it with code. Still think it's just a storm? Then explain the patent. Explain the ley lines. Explain the Vision 2030 portal. You can't close the loop until you scan the scroll, and they're counting on that.
Jamaica, come close and listen very carefully. Jamaica, it's time for us to wake the heck up. Look around you. Every storm, every road, every foreign investment. Another piece of this island disappears. Look, Jamaica, they already took our bauxite. They turned the hills of Clarendon, St. Anne, Manchester, St. Elizabeth and St. Catherine into red craters. Companies like Noranda, Jamalco, Windalco, Alpart, they stripped our soil and left dust, left sickness, and then call it development. Now here comes the next invasion. C3 Metals Incorporation, a Canadian company. They hold 44,000 acres of exploration license. Jamaica, that's over 44,000 of Jamaican land gone. Yes, gone under foreign claim. And they did not come alone. They brought Freeport McMoran. This is a U.S. mining giant. Yes, the same one that blew up mountains in Indonesia and poisoned rivers. Has a deal to earn 75% control by pumping up to 75 million US dollars up into our ground. So while you're sleeping, Jamaica, they're out here drilling the belly of Jamaica and calling it Bella's Gate. Pretty name, deadly meaning. Jamaica, understand that every drill breaks the limestone spine that holds our water. You see, when that crack, rivers bleed dry and sinkholes happen. But Jamaica, it don't even stop there, you know. United Oil and Gas, a British company, holds the license to the southern part of Jamaica, over 22,400 square kilometers of our seabed. Yes, from Pedro Bank to the Morant Basin. And they got all their permits and exploration license and drilling permits during the hurricane season. So while you patch your roof, they drill out our seabed. The land of Jamaica is already wounded. Now they have turned to our sea. Jamaica, let's be real. Even the soil from the highways that they built. Yes, the same dirt them dig out to build these fancy roads. Left the country by truckloads. Yes, Jamaica, our earth exported. The most fertile topsoil. The same one our ancestors planted in, gone. My people, please understand what this means. When you remove the skin, the body dies. And the soil is the skin of Jamaica. The limestone is our bones. And the sea is our blood. Remember, you know, bauxite stripped our skin. Now C3 Metals is digging for copper and gold. They're going to crush our bones. And United Oil and Gas is drilling for oil. They will drain our blood. And Jamaica, all this is happening on an island that is geologically fragile. Sitting on the Plantain Garden and the Walton fault lines. Jamaica, if they shake the crust with dynamites and drills, you definitely risk unleashing catastrophe. I'm talking landslides, earthquakes, tsunamis, methane release, and death. Look at St. Elizabeth, Jamaica's breadbasket. It just got wiped by Hurricane Melissa. Now they're talking about a smart city on that very same land. But smart for who? Not for the farmers and the people who lost everything. Realizes Jamaica, every hurricane clears land for new contracts. Every new road move our soil offshore. And every new signature.
Some people want to tell me in the comment section this theory what these people have, you know what I mean, about the hurricane and Jamaica and whatever people are coming to Jamaica for and all of these things. More want to tell me if you don't believe in it, seeing, because people, me not go tell you no lie, me kinda believe, you know what I mean, some of them something how them people here say. You understand? The hurricane kinda believe that make them make it. Because it's possible, my people. Remember, you know, man, scientists do not believe in the Almighty, you know. Them find everything like what happen in this world to be scientific, not nature, not that of a supreme being. See, remember them said the world was created by the Big Bang. You see me? So tell me what you think. And this woman here, she touched a lot of points, my people, a lot of points. You see me, I say, where we see some of the result of the things that what she talk about. You understand? But my people, let me tell you something. It's inevitable for the world to evolve. You understand? And while the world evolve and while the world evolve, we have to evolve with it, or else we are going to stay back. You know what I mean? That are the best way to be still, you know, my people, if stay back, you know. But, you understand? People want to move with the time. Because if what it means for us if we stay back is that we are going to be like outdated certain way, but we're not going to lose we self in a way where we have that impact them people. Them something and them new something and now go make we like have no more impact on the world than what we already have. You understand? We don't really need it. You know what I mean? Sometimes enough is enough, and we have to preserve our part of the world. You see me? I say this is our place. This is where we born and grow. This is where we belong to. We can't go to nobody else's country go take up residency. You know what I mean? Unless disaster, catastrophe, and all different type of things, and them take we from here and bring we go somewhere else. But we love Jamaica. You know what I mean? And we want to preserve Jamaica, my people. I want to listen what this woman here say and tell me what to think, because you see the company where she are going to talk about, or she talk about here, I'm not quite sure because I forward some of it. Zine, she talk about a company where have the rights for mine offshore on the south coast, like dig for oil and them something there. My people, after the hurricane pass, the people them down a Milk River that up on the south coast, you know, seeing a pure oil wash up on the shore. You see me I say oily substance on the shore, where that a come from. So it look like say them already find oil in the place. You see me, and on a level of people, it a go boost Jamaica economy. But you see down to the local grassroots man, it maybe not go, him not go like make him not go benefit from it. You see it, and then my people, she a go talk about all of these drilling and extracting minerals and all of these things. What that I go do with people, that I go weaken the earth core. I remember we are an island, we are not a country. You see me I say? So we small. The least little thing can affect us. You understand me I say, my people? But more want to tell more the things still, because whoever I give these contracts, them more know about the core of the earth and nature. And my people, there is a thing called global warming, you know. So that even in itself I mess up the ozone layer, I mash up the earth, and then we are going to add to it where all of the things them to protect us from elements. You know what I mean? We are going to bleed with all of those resources and something. So we're prone to certain things. You see me? Because remember, you know, people, at first we receive a hurricane of this magnitude, you know. So if this a forward, what else might forward? You see me? I say, some people, it no look good. It does not look good. But what can we do as a people to change this? You see me I say, because it's the inevitable still, you know, my people. We are going to evolve now. We have to evolve. But I prefer nature over science. You see me I say, make me know what to think.
Trade away a piece more of our independence. Them loves the Jamaica poor. Jamaica, that is the biggest lie ever told. Jamaica rich. And that is the problem. It's because we're rich why we have this problem. We're rich in land, water, minerals, beauty. And that's why they keep coming Jamaica. You see what we call paradise? Them call it profit. This is not economic growth, Jamaica. This is genocide. The slow unaliving of our island. You can't eat the concrete of a smart city. You can't drink oil, and you cannot plant into a crater. You see, when the coral reefs die, the fish vanishes. When the topsoil is gone, the crops fail. And when the rivers dry up, the people them a go run. That's not development, Jamaica. That's extinction in slow motion. C3 Metals, Freeman McMoran, United Oil and Gas, Noranda, Jamalco, Windalco, Alpart. Remember those names, Jamaica. Because if we don't stop them, our grandchildren will read them on the tombstone of Jamaica. Jamaica, this is the hour of truth. We are running out of soil, out of coral, and we are running out of time. So my people, wake up before the land breaks. Stand before the sea burns. And speak up before silence becomes permanent. Jamaica, defend your body, defend your soul, and defend our future.
When him died at the great age, him a 19 now, so me can tell her what your son did do at a look tender age, in a great age. Mr. Vegas, your son graduate high school now. So me can tell her what your son do 6 blood clot years ago. 6 years ago, me a patrol, Mr. Vegas. Me, Maga Wingworm, a patrol, and your son, the on his knee, a so cocky. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Mr. Vegas, repeat. 6 years ago, your son when named CJ, me can't talk about you now, because I never talk about you when he was a look up picking. Because you know, say kids not have nothing to do with. Kids not have nothing to do with anything. Kids, me not these kids. That are one thing, me not these kids. But me make you know, you never know who you are blood clot this in a life. Vegas, you never know who you are this in a life. You come blood clot this me as a wingworm. Mr. Vegas, you perform at the school 2 weeks after. 2 weeks prior to when me take up your son off and blood clot knees are so cocky. I swear to God, if I'm lying, I'm dying. I will fucking start. Wanna say, Shorty baby, you said it to him? Wanna share the life to Mr. Vegas? Wanna share life to him? Never give a fuck, and we see screen recording. You share it to him? Alright. So good, Mr. Vegas. First and fucking foremost, me could just me not feel like I'm obligated, you know. Me not fucking obligated for clarify nothing to you. So good Vegas. Me not feel like somebody need to clarify nothing to your dirty feel as a father. So good man. But me gonna clarify this here. First of all, me never say nothing about the Prime Minister mother. Me saying if you got chucking her wife. Me never say mother. That are the next thing. And I don't give a fuck what you chat about. But oh, me a wingworm and the whole nine. Regular day that. So good, Mr. Vegas. So good, Vegas. Feel as a fucking father, nasty, stinking woman beater, Vegas. Yeah, in your video, oh, one man for hold me, our man for blood clot do to me. The only person probably have man problem a blood clot, yo. Everybody man in a blood clot, Jamaica refuse blood clot, yo, Vegas. So now you turn to blood clot, Juliet, man. That's why you never a blood clot, Anjo cocky so much. Cause you want fuck and suck, Anjo. You run down the man for one him dirty blood clot sweater. You love man more than me, or me for love blood clot, man. I'm me the blood clot, girl. And you love Anjo more, you love cocky more than blood clot me. Patricia go suck Vegas dick. Yeah, Patricia, it's when you see Mr. Blood Clot, faggot ass Vegas, man fi beat me cause me a woman. And any boy beat me dead. Any boy beat me I go blood clot dead. See what the dirty man say? Tell lie pa me, but oh, Mr. the Prime Minister, mama. Me never say the Prime Minister, mama. Mr. the Prime Minister for chuck through his wife. See it ya.
I just see a video a while ago with a girl, a like a wingworm looking girl, full of filter. I talk about the Prime Minister mother. P big. I call woman big P woman. Let me tell you something, girl. Yeah? Time is the master. You soon find a man if you deal with the wicked here. Yeah, man. Time of the master. Remember karma, yeah? Yeah. Let me tell you something, dunce, girl. Go listen to the Prime Minister.
Whatever. You never know say, Mr. Vegas, you never know say me a year karma. You never know say me a year karma. Now the whole blood clot TikTok know say CJ did a suck cocky in a junior blood clot high school. You never know say me would be a blood clot karma. You never know say me would be a blood clot karma. Your son did a suck cock. Your son did a suck cocky in a junior high school 230 blood clot one. Junior blood clot high school 231 in the 8th grade after school. Me wingworm take CJ off I knee a so cocky.
But TikTok police have new woman, you know.
Already?
The girlfriend look alright. She pretty.
What you mean already? What you mean already?
The girlfriend pretty.
Eh?
I was sorry.
No, him me don't me
I'm here, pa.
Probably you think you're gonna move on from Annie.
No, I did my like me a too fenke.
Annie never make you a too fenke. Annie make you a star. Top upgrade na Airbnb.
Oh, you feel say Annie and Antoinette gone back now?
Gone back now.
Top bunny.
Annie and Antoinette gone back together.
No, so me not hear a beating go on and man and him a look compensation.
So you watch them.
Oh.
Yo.
Yeah, man, you watch them, man.
Keep up to date.
Atta.
Eh?
Me not watch them.
Oh. So how you know?
After all I tell you watch Annie pussy like hard. Other day me and Annie a play match. As me and Annie come off a match, him that a add me and this man no play match from Wapi kill. The man a watch out Annie pussy right now. You know which class Annie have on.
Never had a brother there tonight.
Him have to tell you so. You born you in. Double chat. You don't know nothing about me and man and fuck. There are a lot of things you don't know, you can't know. Double chat.
Chat
double.
Cutie, yes.
Come on and chat. Double.
Random, yes.
Chat double. And that's your problem. You want no business.
Eczema, yes.
Double chat.
Yes, say I lose.
Let me lose one to that. Me not lose the boy. You lose all of your girl.
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm want to say something about the female where I expose Mr. Vegas' son and say him allegedly do whatever. Now, girl, if you know say Mr. Vegas loves sue, you know. So don't be surprised if you hear Mr. Vegas say I'm going to sue her and take out papers and them end up a court here. Remember me tell her Mr. Vegas is a vindictive fella. You see me? He's a very vindictive brother if she never know. So, you have to be careful with that man, my friend. You see it, some people, we can watch some more.
The one where you see a beautiful that can breathe. Them a mouth water can breathe, man, you know.
At least we fuck them.
Fuck, the last girl you blood clot for come say you're shitting at your underwear and show you.
Me still have proof so me fuck it though.
Me no want other proof so me fuck the
you not prove that?
You know, just me no want to prove that to you.
I like, you know, you
don't want to prove that to you. Me?
You would
to you?
What? Not to me. You have proved to take that long time. If
Who, me?
Rosalee, if I get fucked, Rosalee, you would have been yourself.
Who you talking about? Me?
You would have been yourself. And now you get fucked, you would have been yourself. Right now, I tell you. You would have much more calm.
Oh, you know no sense. You hear that? I work me come. This entertainer. Boy, I fuck me that I work me come to entertain my people them.
So now,
and do what me do best. Bring up and tear up. What you mean by? So you come about me to come about you? And that me do it for a living.
Me not say no,
I'm going to feed my people them. Hey boy, I'm going to your business.
We can't talk. I went off so that we are.
No, because boy, you're going to fuck me that's your business because you're not going to be the bed. You're not going to be the bed. You're not going to know. Because I'm not going to tell you now. I will never know. I will come and act the same way every day. You can't know shit about me.
No,
you know my pocket? No. You know my pocket? No. Say you can't know boy you fuck me. And you don't know my pocket. You have things in my life.
So I plan to pay. So I plan to pay for fuck you.
Candidate. You're not done and you're not finished.
At you.
You're not done and you're not finished. Candidate.
Yes.
You're so
You're not easy, you're easy.
What they are trouble Rosalee? Talk in front of our face now, no?
Watch out, Rosalee.
No, you.
No, ramp with me, no. Don't ramp with me now. Don't ramp with me now.
Word up, we play too much, okay, remember?
Well, blood clot there.
We play too much pussy. I'm not come out that thing and something complete.
Where's the Rosalee? Are you see I mix me up on live, Jayden? Stop ramp with me. Cause you come mix me up on live, I come talk about I miss the elephant man give a fake ring. Me see you know? Apparently, because the Rosalee want to play too much, I forward. Hakeem, how's wifey?
Chat to my camera. Rosalee with me now?
As I showed you.
Chat to me, stop block the people now, bro. You see the people that disrespect the gift of them and them in the block. Don't block the people now.
Stop. Yeah, come on, send the match, bro. Come on, the match. Can we feel like beat up some people in the night? X-Young, share the life to everybody. Call up the people, them. Top of the screen, share the life for me.
Fucking
Jayden, can I ask you something? Jayden, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Who popped the German spring back of the BMW?
Now what that? I don't know about that.
Who put the bird? I can tell you who put the German spring of the BMW. The girl that used to rebuke acid in her hole. I must suck with candle for the madman. We had the whole persistent on her ovaries. She couldn't have baby. Thank God for TikTok. When the old car broke them, I rather have a chump up money on the highway and call her toll truck because I'm a broke pan star. She broke it. I'm a broke core. Them suck good and it fail them. Them come on TikTok and it fail them. And now when I'm a turn artist, them still a fail because them carry a good lyrics. Yeah, I seen him. Big body girl, I wear the pan. You want me fuck you with the right arm, my left hand? She that. Yeah, she. Big body girl, I wear the pan. You want me fuck you with my right arm, my left hand? She that. I said her pussy rock her can't shoot her pussy stink. Cause every man, are you gonna fuck her too, you know? Cause them like hype. Them like hype man. Give the fuck her. I never do fuck can in all her hole them. Can in have no hole left. Yeah.
What go on this all ago?
Remember, big pussy girl, I wear the yeah. Big body girl, I wear the pan. You want me fuck you with my right arm, my left hand? I fist fuck she. When doing the day car guy me yard, and so she come her man yard and put you in the washroom.
By the way, the panel I say we can become a fan. When you there over here and listen to Rosalee, cause Rosalee and Jayden Black, when you can become a fan, just click and become a fan, please. That's all me ask you for. Boy, but if X-Young not do it, me not see who go come and do it, cause X-Young not over here, just a top screen. Rosalee.
It's so good, you walk like you are
so look at me, I get on gone, you know.
You walk like you are some blood clot doing your food. Anybody there on the internet, anybody name can call. Go suck out your mama, girl. This me already to, you know. So good, girl. Come here. Hey, girl. Come into my life again, me get to black out your bum.
I'm afraid of people, I'm not from no bad.
Go like a yali out in batty world. So good, girl. Yo, chat go black. Come see how this me not comment already, no so good, girl. Go suck out your mother, man.
Become a member. Send become a super fan. Everybody on the live, you can become a super fan, please. I army them. As soon as send the army, but become a super fan.
Alright, my people, as my seminar talk long, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. We can watch some more.
We don't want more. You will see nothing but shooting. I try to get some super fan. I want everybody pack up over here so we can get some super fans.
Johnny show me a big pussy. Johnny show me a pussy tongue, boy.
Look.
I'm having my phone.
I look at super fans. Everybody, I'm looking 5 super fans.
I'm mute that one, yeah. Candy come like pornal glow, the one of our school. It's white and thick. The pornal glow. And stink. Show me a big pussy. I remember me a fuck girl. Them are all purpose girl. We have to about toilet and bung up toilet. More bung up candy mouth with some piss. Cause shit alone you need for yam now. Piss and shit. Cause come too good for her. Cause them drink come every day. It's a daily juice, come punch. Yeah, I want my good husband to bust in her blood clot nose and she snort it up like coke, catch a coke head.
super fan. Pick up yourself, G-Man. Who else can come become a super fan?
So my good man for busting our nose.
Catch a speed, guys. Catch a speeder. Catch a speeder. Catch a speeder. Catch a speeder, my team. Catch a speeder. 2 Anna, my team. Come on, guys. Come on, chat. Catch the speed. Catch the speed. Catch the speed.
Tag up the title. I go up. Tag up. One money gun. I'm leave. Malorita Black coming out reading now.
How much you become a super fans is $9.99.
Oh, yeah, look subscription. With the blood clot, yes, so.
So the live promo on top.
Guys, you don't use it double.
I ain't idea me a chat tour more as a result to them.
I never all I'm going to pay up one of my bed, you know. I'm gonna like call on the phone, you know.
I'm not a person of views no more, like I'm a person of result. DJ, big up yourself. Denise, attack yourself.
Close to put on and pure old car. Rich have what kind of car rental? I whenever you to advertise. They want to rental candy have the one in our hole and our throat back and our battle. Right them out and carry them back. Sure. Come on, the owe me for have a car rental. Me want the owe me for have a blood clot car rental. And I drive one old 2015 car from Chantalbert. Me can have a car rental and I drive one 2015, 2011 car. No make it make sense. Man, my glass scratch me say come lad. Me can have one car rental or one car business and I drive one old car. When I pay 400,000, what they forgot fix? My pocket I'm going to other car I have. Me not go buy my car and rent it out, you know. And I drive with rough, you know. Make it make sense. When too enough and fool I like that when some of them hungry Lebanese come tell them things and I believe them. Me not have no car rental. I never go pay 400,000 to fix one car. Me I jump in on my other blood car because me rich. That makes sense. I pay a store them selling now. And some want to buy because they eat me but 2 minutes cater. Me not have no car mat or no car rental and I drive no old car. The earlier the car come in the shipment, me suppose in a want 20 26 car and 26 car I drop here to Jamaica. And some one of them can make one car rental. Because car rental people have more than one car. And you drive the oldest. Then if my boss or my work, I drive one old blood clot car, I drive one top car. You don't want to be my boss. From a born out of Laverne big hole. Me never blood clot see imply outsmart boss. And if your boss, your company, your boss have something, you supposed to drive the dearest car. Where do you want car where with last time it broke down, I have to pay for fix it because you don't have dollar walk with. And you want car business, I'm not shut up. Someone don't type yourself, you know. The last time the piece of car broke up on the highway, I have to chump up money and pay for it, move, call the tow truck, call our wall for move it. Because carry them pussy a tow truck. Anything what broke down, them try to fix it, call the tow truck to fix it. And you don't live no blood car like me say, because you catch with your mom, me catch with mine too. Two no live now your own business. Then me could have moved from car to business and live now the same way. Now what kind of backward me I go in a life? Remember we are going to look at here. Of course, me also want blood clot fix. Storm come up here, leak it a leak from my pussy clot. Me don't live now if you come in, I live in the dog. Me not hype like them. Me no live now with accommodate not even dog. Me not hype like them.
Share up your life, team. Everybody share up your life, chat. Share up your life, team. Share up your life, chat.
Pure like them tell on social media. Me no live now with a comedy, not even dog. Me no live now with a catch, catching people out. Me no live no blood clot way. And sometimes I no sleep at night, I can't tell me no live no way. Me wanna sleep and bed and move. Them lie like dog. Me can't buy one pull dog can't come and tell me no live no way. I mean,
chat,
like,
everybody pull it up the screen. Share the live chat. Tap and share. Focus. Tap and share. Focus chat. Anthony, I know you have beef with me, but cut the beef. I need you right now.
Chat, go and go recharge. Focus my team. Me no live now if you come in and even one dog. We not gonna put him on the bed. The sofa just fuck panic. Me no want nobody panic and fuck out sofa that. Yeah, boss say naked like chulum pipe. Hey, come. Oh my God, I try to let you in the pussy class. Eh?
You don't see us stop cuss?
No, me not cuss. Me do the rehearsal. Me not cuss. Because yesterday, friend, me talk about my cuss yesterday, but me not cuss with my rehearse. Shot come me not have no I come in at even one poodle dog. Me not live now, me not do like them. Me not live now with a blood clot.
Focus.
Me not live now with a blood clot, me not do like them. Me want poodle, me like maybe my husband for buy one poodle, but me not live now I come in at even dog. Ringa for me have to live a pure blood clot, wait. I want move still, you know. You may look so my friend. But me not tell my business when the time come, it come. First double. Then wife, I'm gonna watch first double chat. Chat first double. So
alright my people. So as I said, I don't talk too much, but I know what you think in the comments. We're gonna watch some more and then move on to the next.
Do you know for recharge or did you recharge? We don't have the money gun chat. Never gonna lock out the comment section here. Never gonna really lock out this comment section of the guy. No come here with nothing, you know. I'm gonna like that to the Friday. This trigger me inner spirit. So the guy don't come here with nothing. I will look up. Happy enemy, sit down here. Cheer up to that Monday. I have the Wi-Fi. I don't pay the bill because I broke. I all that. If I have no Wi-Fi, no Rosalee. If I have no data, no Rosalee. I'm only pay data and I'm only buy Wi-Fi. And if you don't send me nothing, I don't have no internet. And I can't come here hungry. And if you send me money to buy one room, I can't come here. You know, go entertainment, you know, go on pan, go scroll pan the old tab at them over here and try to be like me. Triple chat! Focus! Triple chat! Jesus Christ! Chat! Me blood clot! And that's why man stay with me for long. Chat! We never look up Friday post. Chat. We not on the wheel. Who can
you see if you and Rosalee never did that clash move, did you hear this, you know?
Then that me assure you, that is what I'm saying, bro dog. You know what I'm saying? You know like me fix my car and have my car there so sit down? That is what a friend is for. Cause you fuck up my car and me never come talk. Don't. Me a pussy. So me a pussy.
So when time
if I didn't fuck up me car and me didn't come talk about it now, at them time them would have be pussy. But you can't fuck up me car, wait no? You can't fuck up me car, and me fix me car, and me sit down and me a come see, but yet still a dep on your life and this me. Who are the pussy? So me a come talk now, me not want nothing for nobody not loyal to me. Me not want no loyalty for no big pussy girl. Eh? Look how much thing go on, brother, how much blood clot thing go on. Jayden, all you blood clot no too. Say girl come my pussy clot villa and flood out the place, brother, and go yard. That nasty pussy clot, Rosalee. A blood clot rebel and swiftly a fiam up your whole villa. Suck out your mama nasty, girl, nasty. A Jayden bring her go yard, ask him. Him know what him no want talk neither.
Italic bong.
Italic bong up. You all I shower, you all I shower, flood out, you all I in a room.
Zoom up!
You all I in a room and the toilet bung up and a flood over.
Jayden, you set me up, you all drunk, Jayden. With what? You set me up.
With what?
You set me up, Jayden. With what? Jayden, Candy. Jayden send you 300 requests. Hold on, commercial break. I get this bracelet from DJ Anne. She's on the live right now. DJ Anne Julie. I get this bracelet from her. Jayden set me up. Jayden send Candy 10 requests.
I want request Jayden send me. Why?
Man over here tell me say send you 10 requests and Candy no rate him. If you send your request.
Well, the only reason why me add him a true, me I say me want beg you some followers, you know follow me. And true Rosalee come with clothes, so when me cuss her, me go get the followers them. Come on know which more than blood clot.
Alright. Candy, you want my honest opinion?
That suck pussy girl, man. Yeah.
You want my honest opinion?
Brother, you have to hurry up and talk. I'm in my cussing mode and I no want.
Don't cuss me, don't cuss me. I'm going to tell you the truth.
No, hurry up.
Hurry up.
Fall off. Man, stand man.
Go and talk here, me listen. I want to say nothing to your trigger you off, you know. So me go and listen.
No man, trigger me man. Me done trigger already. Tell me thing them man. Me can't take criticism, you know. Me can't take criticism, you know. Give me it, me take a criticism. Criticism.
Candy, my markets did mash up. My markets did mash up when I front wheel did mash up one night time when you wrote me up in ours.
Come where dog. Criticism. Me know that word there. So come.
Let me there say still, you know. Yeah, Rosalee are two young, beautiful content creator. I think
that make one of us young and beautiful alone. Rosalee them a long time.
One and a half young and beautiful.
A long time sell pussy.
1.5 young and beautiful.
What?
Candy, you remember, you are not just a TikToker. You are also an artist. I'm in this business 15 years. I try to tell you, don't make you see a mistake with me. And everything pitch apply. Sometimes you be a bigger person, you can't fix your car, you go fix it. I understand that she come out and say certain things.
In this situation, we all know who is the bigger person.
Candy,
brother, listen to what me I say. I understand you go come with a speech and I understand fully what you say. Me understand. Don't feel like me not understand. I'm dumb. Me get what you say about the whole artist thing and venture off and something different and this and that and don't me nobody calls me this and don't me nobody calls me that. But at the end of the day, word dog, somebody can only bear so much. You get what me I say? Them they over there and them a do this over and over again and me a ignore her, bro. Me a ignore her and me not say nothing. Cause Rosalee a one girl and me they love bad man. You get me? If Rosalee said jump, we a jump. We a say yo, I will fi jump go.
Look like you love, brother.
But me now go take disrespect, brother. For no no single body and take the disrespect and just because me a venture off in an artist or me no want answer, me go make she continue disrespect me. Pre this no word dog.
Yeah.
Me I got there, sir, right? Remember, you know, me there and have everything to do with me venturing up as an artist as well. Because how can I want somebody to respect me, but me them say yo, that's somebody that sit down. Right? I diss me every single day. But yet till me sit down and laugh about it. Them not gonna respect me either.
Yeah.
So me have to come defend myself to make a man know say yo, listen, don't pass the place with me. So for some me I go get me respect, me I go take me blood clot respect. Yeah, daddy I tell man about me salt and how me this and how me that and man give me. Brother, you and Donia have some have it with Donia charge you. What me have to do with it? Me not have nothing at all for do with it. Me not make no hag girl, haggy, low life, blood class, somebody like Rosalee. Come
you can't talk about it, man. You can't talk about it, man.
Me not make no low life, haggy girl. This me panel like make people out there see haggy at this me. I feel like Candy not say nothing about that then. So them everybody gonna feel like say yeah alright me can walk on this Candy then cause this a low life ya this Candy and Candy no care me a this Candy too. Rosalee go suck your mama. Brawly. Nah, me not talk about no blood clot who artist this and artist that if you take invitation or this.
Me understand. Candy, me understand because enough time I lash out to because sometimes some people do me some way too when me have to lash out. And sometimes I lash out, you're going to sit back to yourself and come and say, dog, what me do it for? What me do it for? Because guess what? Even if some people understand, some people not going to understand.
And
nobody understands.
Candy, let me tell you the truth. Candy, let me tell you the truth.
Oh, you think me feel word dog? For she the pan life every day. And disrespect me and people are sending it to me and people are laugh off of me. Me, I go come say
this. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth, Candy. You see anybody I go cuss down there too.
But listen to what me I say. Donia no all tight. Me never say me not cuss Donia. Him no all tight. But don't say what me I say about Donia from last night.
No.
Me don't say about last night. But when you first of all
Donia for start it, bro.
Listen Donia started, yes. But
alright, well people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna move on shortly to over Rochelle for hear the saga we go on between she and the female, and I go see a glimpse of the video also. So make we go and watch some more of this.
End of the day, Donia started, not Candy. Why she not take up a shot take up with Donia? When she come on the live yesterday, who started? Rosalee started yesterday. Was it Donia started?
I don't start from day one. No, I don't start from day one. Day one, I don't start.
Bro, exactly. That you prove my fucking point. Donia started and not me.
Alright then.
What me have to do with she? This Donia, bro, not me for this Donia. She for this Donia. She for this Donia. She had this me instead of you had this Donia.
Candy, I'm gonna say something and this why you all each of one place? I don't know, you can't agree, or you want. Like, big man, bro, we can't see. We are each up every day, bro. Dog, literally, dog. You see, TikTok are one place where we should come together and build. Dog, me understand the fuck up enough over here, but why you the one place? If you can't agree, dog, you know, Candy, you know what time is it? Enough of you not hate each other and put on the camera. Bro, you see me, that's why enough people now gonna like me. Cause me going to tell a boy, say, boy, I don't need you. And if 100 people over here watch me take me 100 people. And enough people don't know how to chill in the corner and build, bro. Me, before I know say dog, bro, me don't know how to do it, dog.
Well, dog, listen to what me I say. You see people panda up here when me not fuck with charging, me not gonna know it. Brother, me get bookings with people overseas pan this up here, me turn it down. Cause me not fuck with them none at all. But oh me, I go pre-say your bombard. Alright then. First of all, me not even the two go on Rosalee. Me never know say Rosalee have me up for nothing at all. Me, I go say, first of all, if she did feel like say she have you. Me not know say the have up a guan, you know. Cause me and that push girl party, you go come in my car, you go laugh. You never feel like everything good.
Rosalee not have you, Candy. Rosalee just
let me know
Rosalee, Rosalee not have up candy, you know. Rosalee not have up candy at all. You see? Because Donna come from the life when I talk about fear situation. And that's why Rosalee slap back to her earth, Donna. You see? And I really street, Rosalee not disrespect, you know. I Donna not disrespect, you know. You see, I say, but because them she say, blood clot candy and Donna usually they close or whatever. Rosalee attack.
Jayden, listen to what I said.
And candy just getting on the fire.
Because me know you have a cuss. Me can say something. You see this time, I know Jayden, Candy, Rosalee, World Dog, Chippy, or Donna, Swissley, or R6, or Otto, and a few time now. This a time.
World Dog, wait. Coming up, World Dog, wait. Jayden, listen to what me I say. Listen to what me I say, Jayden. You have a pint, but your pint no make sense. I'm not gonna tell you why your pint no make sense. You see, you're gonna say because people put we together, say Candy and Donny and Candy. But the disrespect is too much. Because how can you say, alright then, me I got this Donny, me want Donny feel away. I know Donny you make feel no way, bro. And me you make feel away because you gonna need for say me salt.
No, you're just catching out the stray, bro.
No, I'm catching the stray. That's
but me not say you're wrong for not defend yourself, you know. Me not say you're wrong for not defend yourself, you know.
I know one or two times she do it. 3 different times and she has me salt and oh man give me eat and run. Why you mean could give the dog the eat and run? If you want him feel away, bro, you are gonna say things to him. We are gonna make him feel away. What makes you not say, oh, remember them Candy got Panama, go take money, you know. Remember say Candy, so much things that when me do this, I'm on up on blood clot life. She don't want to talk about it. She want to talk about, oh, me, a blood, me salt, and oh, don't give me it and run. What make me could give don't it and run? Fish way say, me I try this. I try this.
What you know, cuss out her blood clot. Fuck she brighty.
Me know the difference, bro. Donny upon the other hand, Donny try use mind games. So if Donny have something to say about me, him knows that if him turn to Rosalee I go cuss me. So probably him a use she for cuss me. We not dispute that blood clot. They say all of them fake, all of them can go. I'm gonna give a fuck. You see, Jayden, I want a man they want to play my game pan this and me understand Jayden more than all of any blood club body. Same like come understand no, they can all of them use mind game. And no pussy can use no mind game pan me. Nobody can use no mind game pan me. And that Rosalee I do too. Oh, you have to say me your friend and then when she done so she say, here I know, I'm a girl still. Laugh, I'm a girl still. That for sure you say deliberately I do it charge. I'm a girl still. This me she salt but I'm a girl still. And then me go come laugh. Oh, me a going a music me for make Rosalee diss me. If Rosalee did a girl a caliber mood say nothing charge me, I make no local low life hug. This me I make nobody feel like say them can diss me too. When people like Rosalee this and people see that and you take that as invitation and laugh, nobody now have no respect for you. Make some high caliber girl this me mood even warm my mouth. But no look how hug pigsty dirty bitch, local junker, $2 slot, unscrupulous dog shit. Now come this me pan this and me laugh.
Make me say it if you no free to say.
Yeah. I only people this me pan this and me not say nothing. Me laugh and me not say nothing. Me just move from that. Everything you answer.
Me reach out.
But when it has gone over again,
alright, my people. So, I want to tell more what you think about what Candy try to do when it comes to Donia. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, him personally never disrespect Candy. You know what I mean? You know, say Rosalee and Candy in things, and if Rosalee box somebody with even Candy and them close, like how she and Donia Roma say boy them they are going with big people something. You know what I mean? So Rosalee will come out and try to use the worst thing where she can use pan Candy. You see it? Although I kind of this, I think Rosalee did this down here, and use candy and this him. Something in that sort, I don't quite remember right now. You see me? But I want you to tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. You see me? So, we can get back in it.
Bumbo one down here, king down here. Let me tell you something. Continue the way of the father, man. Continue to cuss out the whole of them. I see him, so I do it too. You see me? I say, anytime I feel like me not getting a pump, man.
Not chatting to no blood clot body. Me nah make no look who hug this me pan this and sit down and laugh. You hear me I tell her? No hug. Tell her and a whole heap of things come from me and she no bother say nothing. That means if people go tell her things about me and you no come to me as my friend, that means you don't.
Stop blow things out of proportion, man. I'm in a call up in him. You notice enough time Jayden run joke with Rosalee and say, Rosalee now come back, nobody who Jayden is to chat to you. But in time now she come about you. But Rosalee have something against you. I don't have nothing against you. Me have a thing against you. Who have something against you, you not go about them. You come about me about every time me know say Rosalee I go come about you. And that's why me always a come about. Me not even come about Rosalee. Rosalee come from the live and we start run local show. Rosalee a sing and me a sing back. Rosalee a sing and Rosalee and when me get score me start sing back. We have a little entertainment fun. How we reach us up? How we reach blood clot just up? It's what we are doing for entertainment and we are sing. Me tell her you know, Mr. Rosalee, anytime you call Kennedy, you can go clicking line. And then you know what cuss it away. Then now when you start cuss, you little idiot people them know we are take this thing serious. Them start text on everybody phone now. What do you know? You don't go on allow with internet, man, if you don't understand the internet. That's where you go. Something have to keep. And I am Rosa keep. So you keep, don't call me in a hit. We have something different if you deal with. Deal with no difference, and then if you have something against me, you come contact. You come make it look like I say, and me I charge up Rosalee in a business with you. A long time me and Rosalee, a long time Rosalee get delusional, I tell Rosalee say a little bit and too delusional. And then she start come about since what year? And since what year Rosalee come about here? Since you go wind up about your rebound, you should have turned your yard. You should have go follow them up. You notice from blood clots Swiss party over what me do? Me find me tabernacle. Because me don't want nobody have to visit me and follow back at them. If you never go follow back at them, this will reach you. Rosalee will come about every minute. I am blind to see. The only thing I want to see, I say, I'm me. I don't know, every minute, I don't know, I do it. I hear people, yes, I don't know, I do it. Man, game never play. The girl come and I sing. I sing, she start singing, and I start sing, say, yeah, move your delusion and say, what me do you know, say, they never turn that for you again? I know me ever do. Me don't stop playing match with Rosalee then. What do you think, Jayden?
No, not top to that. Not top to
no, but the only time me and Rosalee can have a little fun on the internet and when me tell her about our delusional self. So the only way me can top Rosalee from cause you candy is to stop playing with Rosalee then. And I hope when somebody run joke with Rosalee and Rosalee flick it by you. No come blame me say I me do it, you know. No come blame me say I me do it. Don't do that. So me know what me do. Just tell Rosalee say me and her. Me can't call Rosalee right now. That's with the people them on the internet who don't understand nothing. I call Rosalee right now. I say Rosalee have me up. Rosalee I go say no. I just see people them feel. Now try call Rosalee. I know me have Rosalee. No. Unless me not see you. See that's a Rose co-worker. See that co-worker.
Me a call him. And I even see how me right. I see how double. I'm big like a cow. But I'm a nigga. Watch. Call Rosalee. It's a call him. She probably won't answer. Because everything in the neck. For so long. One little thing like I'm polish off. Big girl, girl. I was smell sir. Inchi thing you put out, the thing you put out, the thing you put out manage the internet. When you just said calling, that means saying
You have to call her straight. You have to call her straight.
No straight call can't go on no person. You only fix up when you fix up with your friend. Now you carry in your Benz front, in your beamer front. One of the everything was nice and simple. You go on there, man, you will not know how work. I mean, I get the thing, alright. Yeah.
How we are eating what? I mean, I'm going to eat something. We have to like the food that they are we are cooking what that's no, I go to my dad. There's nothing cooking on body. Me, I'm only back to the and that back up on the can and people and I mean. Yeah, that's why I said I find bar and they're recording some cook everything like a package and give them.
Since I mean, alright, since I mean I have problem, alright. Me have problem now, alright. Make it serious, so. Me stand accountability for the problem. The only thing I was trying to do last night was just having fun. Fridge no problem. So, make it stay. Cause all the people them blind for see it say, a rose have up candy. We now make it look like I mean. Man, make it on. Them dep on the screen and I see somebody add rose on 4-way. We just take medical time and jump. But I have me hardly play a match with them TikTok. So, make it on them, that's all. Come in here now. Keep me no business.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We are go over urban you know.
I don't care zero. Alright, so the people them decide say I'm not playing no match with Rosalee. Oh, me know how I borrow the leak out there. Alright, I'm gonna tell you, if one thing with the people, them know exactly what I go on, And if you say, alright, then I hit where I work with. Let Rose go on here, man. Rose can go on with their issue. Like, two of them have their issue with their one another. I don't know what you see, You don't know that me have a problem. Yeah, make Rose go on here, man.
Mother yard. Don't come back on my mother yard. Listen to me, baby girl. Don't come to me. Don't come back on my mother yard.
It's Rochelle. If you ever want me come over here, come bust up your filing.
You say,
see all of the time then. Where they are hotel with man. Me no business. No, she know me never have video her. She come say me must take the light.
She think video her, yes. Take the phone out of my face, but then they have video her.
Right, cause me no, me never have video her. She come say me must take the light.
She think have video her, yes. Take the phone out of my face, but then they have video her.
Right, cause me never need. Tell her not to click her live. I'm done. Good night.
Me anymore. Good night, people. Hang up. Oh, me hang up. Anticas, me sorry. Me sorry, Anticas. Me a come off now. My family, me sorry, no have to call me back.
Me sit down in a one car. Me sit down in a one vehicle. Delivering something. Me come fi do my deliveries in Negril. My fi help out my people them in a Negril. That's what I came to do. Look how long me do them deliver something. And you come create a whole advocate like say me you there so or me come a your yard, come fit argue with you. Not do that, girl. Don't do that. Not at 2025 no. Ain't nobody should be flipping up and doing the most for no man. Especially everybody know my situation with man. Not do that, girl. And guess what? Let me tell you a little thing. If me move on with my life, guess what happen? Tell me, child, me no need to talk. If me move on with my life, the whole TikTok see and know what man do to me. Say if me want to move on my life, I can. Me not tie down to nobody. Nobody not own me right now. Like I'm no man can. Then you cannot come out and say me and him there. So we are. I'm not. What is the issue here? Yeah, come take out phone light in my face like me come here and don't come back at me yard. Don't come back at me yard. Don't come back at me yard. What do you mean by don't come back at me yard? Like me come at your yard. Me not come at your yard. Anyways, all I come to clear the life about is Rochelle did not go to anybody's yard to fight anybody. I was still in a vehicle and I saw a random female came and I put phone light in my face. I could have come out of the car, I could have fight you, I could have do anything. You just want an argument, you just want to click off of the internet and you just want to be seen. And you feel like so when you come click your live and talk about, oh, Rochelle, don't come back at me. You just want to do that because you want the internet to know you. You want a little hype and you want a little fame. So you think when you come out and come on the internet, that I go do something to me? Don't make it seem as if me come out and me come to argue and fight with you. Don't do that. Because of that you want the local highlight and that now go give you no local highlight, girl. Because me tell everybody every single day so I move on with my life. So I don't know where you are trying to say or what's your goal that you're trying to accomplish. That's it. Don't come up make it seem as if me, Rochelle, number one, me not argue with no girl over no man. Me, Rochelle, nah, and that's why, guys, I'm telling you, and that's the reason why me just lock my mouth. I'm say, Father God, me have two pitney and live for. Please, me I beg you, hold my composure. Please, Daddy Jesus, make me hold my composure because I don't understand how me sit down in a one vehicle and a female just come out and video me. Dirty old Rochelle, this, that start class me. I'm like, what? You know something about me all I don't know about myself? And she start video me and by the time I look, she dey on live. I try bring me down. By the time I look, Tutu's baby girl dey on live. Tell me now. Like say me come in your yard, come fight you, or me come in your yard, come do something. I did not come to your yard to do anything. But if me did open the car door, I'm boxing in your face now. You would have it's a way only that thing. So I set up. You plan to come video me, and by the time I look, it's a whole other video angle, like a planting. Like I plan something. Like I plan no plan for video me. Like I want. Anyways, guys, you know what? You know what? Oh, what started? Nothing never start. Nothing never start. Like, anyways, me just me just Urban. You see, you talk your story, you know, talk your story good. That's when you talk the story, you have to talk the story good. I'm not going to add in because guess what I'm not gonna add because you gotta talk and you gotta bring additional stress. And there is no stress and there's no problem and there's no worries. So here we are gonna do now. Me just come by here if you make know say Rochelle did not go to anybody yard to do anything to anybody. I did not go to fight anybody. Me never pop up on nobody yard to fight nobody. I was in my car and I sit down and I saw a flashlight in my face. Flashlight in my face. Start class me. Start class me. Like, I come there to create an argument, I come there for me in an argument, I come there for fight. We went to drop off something. Anyways, all I say is, I come to drop off something that belongs to you. I never come there for argue. I never come there for fight. I never come there for fuss. So the time when I did I beat up your gum, like, where you depend, me not depend. So you know where I create an advocate for. Me you know where I create an advocate for. Like say me in a something, me in a nothing. Nothing. Like me in a nothing. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. So, I wrap this up. Have a good night. I just want me to know say, me never go and nobody had to create no problem. And people want to come fight me and want to come put video lights in my face and I do the things them. Like me not depend where you depend. You came and put video lights in my face and me come out of the car and ask why you video me. Me ask me come out, come and say you come out with video light because you want to be seen so bad. So why you want it to be, why you have video me? Like, cause you want the clothes and you got what you wanted and I don't care. So, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Say, me never got nobody yard, have no advocate with nobody. She came and put video in my face. So me know the IP I look and the fame I look, so take it. You want the hype, you want the fame, and that's what you wanted because you know say I mean I'm Rochelle. So I know you look at hype for me. You see me, you know me. You know once you call my name, you gotta get the client, you gotta get the cloud, because that's you want. So take it. But one thing, don't make it seem as if me come at your yard and I come create no argument and no problem with you, baby girl. But like me come a resident for do or something. Like I came to drop off something. We are talking about like me come here yard for me ain't a something.
Well, Rochelle, if a girl have a man and the man want you, take him. No girl have no papers for man. You see what I say? Do your thing, mama. Then take for your man, take back a next girl, man. Simple as that. No girl have no papers for man. Like what some other people tell me what they think.
I'm supposed to be dry eye, Rochelle my name. Hello? That my name, a dry eye bad. Anyways, guys, I just want to come clear my name. Say I never got nobody yard. For no problem, I went to drop off something. So this girl, see, we come drop off something and she saw me and she started videoing me. Yeah, video me, girl. Yeah, video me. Anyways, I said it. I said it. I said it. Like we went to drop off something. All of a sudden, I see video light in my face. What? No clout and no fame. I'm not arguing with no girl over nobody. That I want to make sure two things for certain. I have two penny I live for. So you can't get me to create no other kid and argue with no girl over no man. That me no fear fact. Anyways, May I wrap this up?
I only look like Rochelle never did I tell no lie, so she move on from the near my love. Because one girl put out one video with Rochelle. I must say they are yard gate or mother yard gate because she keep on. I said, don't come back on my mother yard, don't come back on my mother yard. And one man I go Rochelle and I take her out at the contention. Now, me get first and source from Rochelle. Rochelle said that yes, she went out with the guy, of course, because she's obligated to. She's a single woman looking to move on. And that the guy and the girl broke up and she's telling him in the worst way. But I guess because she realized say Rochelle had the move on to now. Rochelle had I don't know if even the girl when I talk to, Rochelle is very well known on the media. She decided to go create one bag of excitement and video and put her up on TikTok. But Rochelle said she not feel no way and she not shame. Yep. And she said she didn't take any girl man. So lady, if you know say and the man did break up, come to the forefront, lady. Come to the forefront. Ah boy, worries.